Sagittarius, December 2024 is going to be your month for growth, clarity, and some pretty transformative shifts. Are you ready to embrace what the universe has in store? With your ruler, Jupiter, making significant moves and a powerful new moon gracing your sign, this is a time for fresh starts and bold steps. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button if you're excited about what's ahead. Every like is a little spark of energy that keeps this content flowing and allows us to share even more cosmic insights with you. And hey, drop a comment below with your biggest wish for 2025. Let's create a space where we can manifest together, sending out all those good vibes. Now, let's talk about what's really happening for you this month. We're breaking it down into 4 key areas: your health, career, finances, and love life. And trust me, each one has its own magic unfolding. Let's start with your energy levels. Mars is retrograding from December 6th, and when that happens, you might notice you're not running on full steam. It's not the month to push yourself too hard, Sagittarius. Instead, listen to your body. Are you feeling a little run down or overwhelmed? That's Mars urging you to rest. Here's the thing, balance is key. While you're naturally adventurous, December is more about pacing yourself. Consider yoga, meditation, or even just making time for a daily walk. Keeping stress at bay will be vital. One big tip, around the full moon in Gemini on December 15th, avoid overloading your schedule. This lunation could amplify mental chatter, so focus on grounding practices like journaling or a quiet night in. Prioritize sleep, hydration, and yes, cut back on caffeine if possible. Your body will thank you. Now, let's talk work. With Venus moving into Capricorn on December 7th, your professional sector is lit up. This transit is about building relationships and establishing long-term goals. Sagittarius, if you've been hoping for a career breakthrough, this is the month to show up. A word of advice, put extra effort into networking. Attend that work event, make the extra call, and don't shy away from sharing your ideas. Venus in Capricorn rewards hard work and commitment, so if you stay focused, the results could be long-lasting. For entrepreneurs or creatives, this is also a great time to refine your vision. Mercury will go retrograde on December 13th, which is perfect for revisiting plans and ensuring everything is airtight before moving forward. Use this period to edit, refine, and prepare. Money-wise, there's a major cosmic reset coming your way. The new moon in Sagittarius on December 30th is basically a green light for setting fresh financial goals. This is your New Year's Eve moment, Sagittarius, a time to think big about what you want to achieve in 2025. Consider creating a budget or exploring new income streams during this lunation. If you've been waiting to invest in something meaningful, use the days leading up to the new moon to research thoroughly. But, and this is important, be mindful of holiday spending. The Jupiter-Uranus trine earlier in the month could tempt you into a little overspending. Ask yourself, does this purchase align with my long-term goals? And now, the part you've probably been waiting for, love. With the full moon in Gemini shining a light on your relationships around December 15th, this is a month for open, honest communication. If you're in a partnership, this is the time to have those deeper conversations about the future. Single? This Gemini full moon brings an exciting opportunity to meet someone new, especially through your social circles. So, if you're invited to that holiday party or casual gathering, go. The energy is perfect for spontaneous connections. However, remember Mercury's retrograde from December 13th to January 1st. While this doesn't mean love is off limits, it's a reminder to take things slow. If an ex pops up during this time, and let's face it, Mercury retrograde loves a reunion, think twice before diving back in. Ask yourself, has this person really grown, or is it just holiday nostalgia? One more thing, Venus in Capricorn after December 7th encourages grounded love. Whether you're single or attached, focus on building trust and stability in your relationships. Love that lasts requires intention, so lean into it. Sagittarius, December is all about wrapping up the year with intention and planting seeds for an incredible 2025. It's your time to reflect, reset, and dream big. Trust the process and know that the universe is working in your favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exclusive cosmic insights. We've got so much to share with you. And as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay you.